All right, so here I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter in the stock air filter housing, the stock intake. I'm using a genuine Suzuki air filter. I was able to buy these. The part number is 1378073B50. I was able to buy these on Megazip because they were having a 20% off Black Friday sale, so I just figured I'd pick up a bunch of these. Yeah, they're kind of pricey. I think I paid like $38 or something before shipping, but oh well. It is what it is, right? Maybe one day I'll upgrade this to something else, like one of those cone filters you might have seen somewhere, but let's use these up first. Open the box. It's just a little round filter. Let's get this guy open. I believe I actually haven't opened this yet, but so you're going to be looking at this with me. There's a bunch of these clips over here. You just have to push down on them and they just pop open. There's two in the front here, one in the back. The back one's a little bit different, but it's not much different than that. You also just push back on it. It pushes back. I don't know if I have to remove these to get access to the whole cover. It might be in the way, I'm not sure, but let's see what we can do here. Yeah. I guess you can actually finagle it out of the way just enough to get this out. And there you have it. It's kind of gross. Somebody wrote 26.3 on there. I don't know if that means anything. But that's the old one. This is a new one. I don't know how long this has been in here, but I guess it's perfect. It's due for a change. Time to toss this. And take this one out. Look at that. Nice and clean. My grubby fingers are going to make it dirty, but let's just poke this open. Inspect inside the housing to make sure it doesn't have a bunch of junk in it. Sometimes it collects like leaves and other like crud. This one looks pretty clean. There's nothing in there. I'm just going to drop the new filter in. Pull these clips out so they fit right. And make sure these clips latch underneath, and then you just push this part back up and it holds it in place. Well, that was easy. Ta-da!